Welcome to Abhijit Blog. Today's travel destination is Gurudanmar Lake in North Sikkim. One of the most beautiful, pristine lakes in Sikkim, Gurudanmar Lake, sits in close proximity to the Tibetan and Chinese border in the north. Nested amidst the mountains at 5,183 meters, the freezing alpine lake is amongst the major sources of the river Tista. The lake takes its name after the eminent Guru Padmasambhava, who is believed to have traversed this region during his visit to Tibet. At an elevation of 17,000 feet, Gurudanmar Lake is probably the most astounding lake on the planet. It lies in the north side of the Kanchenjunga range and is enclosed all around the snow-secured mountains. The holy lake solidifies during the winter, with the exceptions of at one spot, which the ardent convictions has been particularly honored. The Chinese-Tibetan fringe is only a couple of kilometers from the lake. The flavored water of the lake is accepted to have the wonderful intensity of giving kids to issueless couples. Strangely, the fantasy of the Gurudanmar Lake is accepted as respectfully by the Hindus as by the nearby Buddhists. The name Gurudanmar is gotten from the name of the Guru Padmasambhava, who is though to have visited Tibet though this June. The region is said to be honored by Guru Padmasambhava. There is a sanctuary of the Guru other than the lake. Lover sightseers, just as the army staff, offer simplification at the sanctuary. Best time to visit Gurudanmar Lake. The best time to visit Gurudanmar Lake is from March until June, as the weather is pleasant and one can see clear crystal blue skies, with lush greenery in the surrounding along with the beautiful divine Gurudanmar Lake. The temperature during those months fluctuates between 5 degrees to -5 degrees centigrade. The peak tourist season is from March until June. Do's and don'ts can make your trip to Gurudanmar Lake enjoyable. The do's. Since Gurudanmar Lake is situated at the significant height, breathing problems are normal. Refer to a doctor before planning this trip and keep the necessary medicines handy. Being along enough woolens because it will be extremely cold. Ensure that your ears and mouth are covered. At 15,000 feet, you will know the difference in the oxygen level. Try not to jump around, walk slowly, and if there is even the slightest doubt, refer to a paramedic immediately. Owing to the terrible roads, motion sickness is also normal. Carry the medicine for that too. The don'ts. At 15,000 feet, you will know the difference in the oxygen level. Try not to jump around. Walk slowly, and if there is even the slightest doubt, refer to a paramedic immediately. Children below 5 are not allowed by the army. Do not miss on the permits part. Make sure your papers are ready. If you do not have papers, contact the agent or hotel front desk. Be a responsible citizen and do not litter in around the lake, as it is considered a very sacred lake. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.